Hey everybody, Josh here with PTL Hardwood Floors, and just want to go over this project with you. Custom floor we did up here in Canterwood neighborhood in Gig Harbor. It is a red oak floor, custom pattern based on Versailles pattern, which comes from a palace castle in France, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Thousands and thousands of pieces that we had cut in our shop, put together, installed, sanded, stained, and finished the floor. Let me show you this beautiful floor that we did. I come in through the entry foyer here. Goes down the hallway. Into the kitchen. We're actually getting ready to do the last coat of finish on here. Just want to do a quick video to show you. I think pattern floors are just super awesome. And we'll get some professional pictures of this taken as well, because it's super cool. So yeah, I think every floor should have a pattern floor, just about. I hope to do more, and if it's something you're interested in, let's have a conversation and see if we can make something beautiful for you as well. Have a fantastic day.